Good YouTube, it's your boy Avin back here with another video. In this one, I have a real value pack one for you. I'm gonna be showing you a new software that I've been using recently to find current winners in the market right now. And I'm gonna show you how you can actually take these winners, implement it into your own store, improve upon them, and start making some money. Alright guys, so here we are. This is the software. It's called BigSpy. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this before, but it's just, another software. It's a scraper essentially. It kind of goes through what's the popular ads in the market right now on Facebook, and it kind of compiles them all in one place. I really love softwares and scrapers just because it makes product research so much easier. Everything's in one place for you, so you can see what's selling in the market right now, gives you some good ideas for other products to sell, or look for what I'm going to show you later in the video, how you can actually take these products and kind of hijack it and put it into your own store, and start to make money and kind of crush the other people out of the market. So this is a great tool for that. It's one I've heard about in the last couple months, I'd say, but it's been working pretty well in terms of finding cool winners. So yeah, let's get into it. So BigSpy, here it is. Usually what I do is I just go into Facebook. You can probably try Instagram as well, but I'll just start with Facebook for this example. And I go by United States, and I click creatives, video, software, Shopify of course, and then for the call to action button, I click shop now. And this is a little bit different. What I do is I look for ads in the last 2 months because I want to see what's selling right now, because usually dropshipping products, they have usually a lifetime of about 2 to 3 months where people are really crushing it and making good profits with it. You can make profits longer than that, but I've seen and what I've heard is 2 to 3 months is kind of that sweet spot of how much time you can really take profits out of a product before it gets saturated. So I've been looking for the sample May to June. It's June 26th today. Shopify, like I said, and this is what it comes up with. These are some of the results. So right away, some ads. Some of them, these are not all Shopify ads, because obviously it's not all Shopify advertisers on Facebook. But I can tell right away this is an ad. 306 shares. That's pretty solid. It's an ear cleaner. Let's watch the video. So right away, all it does is it looks like it's just like a plastic Q-tip. Doesn't look like anything crazy. Obviously, the video is pretty good. I'm sure they stole it from a commercial or something. But what I would say is right away, look. So this is kind of how I go about the product research and how I decide if this is a product I want to test. And this is definitely a product I want to test. And let me give you the reason, right? So it's selling right now in the market. It has 300 shares, which is real solid. But what I like about this is there's a lot of room for improvement with this video. And what do I mean by that? Look at the first 3 seconds of the video. All it is showing, this girl using this plastic Q-tip thing, right? So right away, it's just not differentiating with anything else on the market. There's no wow factor to this, at least that I see. There's no pain problem they're solving. There's no pain point they're solving either. So what I would do is I would actually show, I'll try to get some pain, right? So I'll try to say, oh, okay, Q-tips aren't good for your ears, which is something that is true. Q-tips aren't good for your ears. So that's why you need a product like this right away. So, but the way they're doing it right now, they're not even putting it out to you like that you need a product like this or why this should even be of any use to you. So right away, that's somewhere you can improve. That's something I would do the first 3 seconds. I would get their attention. I would scare them. I'd be like, look, Q-tips aren't good for your ear. It's damaging your eardrum. It's going to cause hearing loss, something like that. Try to really scare them. Obviously, don't go too overboard with it, but that's a real concern. So if you put that in your first 3 seconds, I'm sure you could sell this product and blow them out the water. So right away, we've already found one product that's a potential test, and it's already selling right now. 300 shares is real solid for a product of with this video. That's real solid. So if I were you, I would go ahead and I would test this product, but you got to look for different angles. You can't just test a product and think, oh, this person's making it work, I can make it work too. You got to find a different angle to test it with, and going with a pain point is a great example. Something you can definitely do, and it's something that will definitely it will definitely work. I know that for certain. If you come up with the from the aspect of a pain point. So let's keep going through the tool. This is a dropshipping product, but I know this is a brand now, so yeah, whatever. Okay, lot of shoes been selling lately. I think that's a summer thing. Let's watch this video. Okay guys, so right away, same issue. First off, 420 shares, solid. But it looks like, first off, I don't know what they're trying to do. First off, when I first watched the video, it looks like they're just trying to sell shoes, which is cool, whatever. You know, people like shoes, whatever. But halfway through the video, right around this point, they're advocating that it fixes your feet or something. So that is obviously the major selling point of the video, but it's not until, what, 4 seconds in. That's got to be the first thing in the video, right? People have a low attention span on Facebook. They don't come into Facebook to buy. They come to Facebook to talk with their friends, look at pictures of babies, look at pictures of cats, you know, do other shit like that. They don't come into Facebook to buy. They can buy if you get them right, but I'm saying this video is just showing a pair of shoes. But I'm saying, what if you had started with right away showing, oh, this is a product that's good for your feet. It, you know, if you have wide feet or something like that. I don't know exactly what this is solving. Let's see, insole support the arch. See, that's a big problem, right? So plantar fasciitis, arch support, flat feet, something like that. That's how you should approach a product like this if that's the angle you're going to sell it to. But going right away into it with these are just shoes. These are Catholic schoolgirl shoes. But if you go into a solution with a pain point at the beginning, then you have a product that you can sell and scale potentially. So always be looking for products with the mindset of how do I improve upon it and what angle can I come across from it to either solve a person's problem, make their life easier, or you know, something along those lines. So you gotta be thinking of those lines. Solve their problem or make their life easier. That's what they're looking to do. 10 out of 10 times. So let's keep looking for more products. Okay. All right. So basically, this looks like a cushion to ease pain from wearing high heels and shit like that. Okay, yeah, that's actually not a bad product because it actually does solve a pain point, right? So especially in the summertime, I think girls will be wearing more dresses and shit like that. So this is actually a good product. You know, it eases a pain, obviously, with foot pain, and I mean, let's see how many shares it has. It's got 84 shares. That's okay. So right away, you know, it's not a bad video, I would say. But what I would do is I would probably start with a pain point. What would the angle be? So first off, I would start off with, you know, some lady probably having foot pain or something like that. You know, I want to actually get in the mind of the consumer and I want them to resonate with the pain, right? I want them to feel that, you know, at least to go back to that time when they were feeling that own pain. So in this, you probably look for a video clip with, you know, some lady like having foot pain from high heels or something like that. It shouldn't be hard to find. And start with that. If you do that, if you start thinking in the mind of how do I solve a person's pain point, how to make their life easier or better, something like that, you will kill. I promise you that. So that's right away. That's exactly how I know I could actually improve upon this ad. Maybe make it a winner. You know, it's a good product. Obviously, you don't know if it's a winner until you test it. But this, knowing that it has shares in the market, you know that it resonates with some people in the market. And with a better marketing angle, you can kill. You can go out there and kill. So that's, you know, kind of the major spy tool I've been using. Obviously, you know, there's a bunch of ads. So keep going down there. Look for, you know, there's pages and pages upon ads. So this is going to show you almost, I don't know, all the products in the market, but a bunch of them. So look in the market, see what's working. Try to find ads that, look, here's another drop shipping ad right now. Another one here. I know this one's been selling a lot. So look in the market, look for ads that are selling right now for a high amount of shares, because that's going to prove to you that it's selling in the market right now. And then you're going to look for where can I improve upon it? How can I come up with a better angle, a better video, better copy, something like that. That's what you got to be doing. and look for that. Go into the mind of the consumer and say, how do I make their life easier? How do I solve a problem? How do I solve a problem for them? And you will start seeing success. I promise you. All the ads are here for you right now. Look at these ads and go forward and start testing these products, and you'll find a winner for sure. So yeah, that's it. That's the spy tool I've been using right now. It's called BigSpy, 100% free. No reason for you not to try it. All right, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you stayed till the end, I really, really do appreciate it. I mean that. If you wouldn't mind, I'd really appreciate if you give me a like, a comment, subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I answer every single one of those. I'm here to help you for sure. Been saying this in every single one of my videos, and I want to say it again. This channel is really about what I can do for you and not the other way around. And I really, really do mean that. So let me know what it is I can do for you and how I can help you get to your goals. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.